Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add the homepage on Prestashop in 2024. So today we're going to show you how to add your customize your homepage in Prestashop and even add a new one. So your homepage, first of all, is the first impression visitors have of your store. So it's really important to make it engaging and even informative about your business, maybe if you have one. So let's dive right into this steps of how to do it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use it wherever you want. And if it's your first time, just go to this URL section, type prestashop.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you to their home screen or main screen right away. If you have an account, make sure to log in into it and click on Get Started to download Prestashop if you haven't downloaded yet. You have here free download classic, hosted if you want to, so you can get like a hosting where you should host should be hosted. Here you can see on the classic, you'll have to fill up some information, click on download, and you'll be able to download it without any problems, of course. So as you can see, it should be like, okay, so just fill up some informations here. As you can see, it should be downloaded and you'll be able to download it. Here, there's a step-by-step guide, as you can see, which will show you how to install it using one of their hosting partners. So you'll need to go and create a hosting account on one of their hosting partners and follow the steps on how to complete it. Doing it as an example. Here, like there's automatic, they show you a video, and manual, they show you two videos on how to do it. Other than that, of course, this will require like a paid plan for their hosting providers. Even if you choose here the classic, which is like free. So PrestaShop will be free, but for the hosting, you'll have to pay it by your own, as you can see. But if you choose hosted, they will provide for you the host by their own and some other even better features. But of course, you even have a free 14-day free trial to try it out and test it if you like it or not, depending on whatever you want. As you can see here, you can discover hosted that they have, and you'll be good to go. But if you want, you can do that for free if you want to local host it on your PC. So, for example, I'll just to type here on new tab, install Presta like shop on local host. So local host here as an example, and hit the enter button. Click on the first link, and as you can see, this article by PrestaShop will show you exactly how to install PrestaShop on your local host. I've already made a video about that, but this video's kind of about this article, so you don't have to even look at the video. Of course, you can go and check it out by your own. And as you can see here, you'll have to follow this step guide by guide. Basically, install the map, which is going to be the server. Then simply install the PrestaShop and simply go and create a folder on the HDocs. They show you everything here. Print that there or paste that there. Start your servers. Go open a new tab. Go to localhost, of course. Slash the folder that you created, PrestaShop or whatever the name that you put in, etc. Just follow the steps and you will have it on your local host without any problems. So now, if you want to add a homepage to PrestaShop as an example, I'll just go and type and find an article on how to do it because while selling it, I had some PHP problems, so I couldn't install it. But for you, an example, so I'll just type add a home page on PrestaShop as an example, as simple as that, and hit the enter button. And as an example, they show you here some videos and even some articles by Presta. As you can see, so here's an example how to change my PrestaShop homepage. People are answering here, so we don't know like people answering. We need some article. Let me just go and check if there's some article to follow step-by-step guide. So there's people answering. Of course, like people answering here are actually very, very useful if you want to hear what people saying, because normally the problems that happen to you normally happen to people. So in here in this community, as you can see, people help each other if you want on using forums. So as you can see here, if you want to change the homepage like content, so basically like if you want to do so, I'll tell you the steps, and then it will follow like an article here. So basically, you have to go and access your back office and navigate into design from the left hand menu. And under design, of course, you'll have to click on pages, and this is where you will create and manage all the pages of your store, including the homepage. In the pages section, you will see like a list of existing pages, and to create a new page, click on add a new page, a button at the top right, of course, and form will appear where you can enter the details of your new page for the title, enter like home or homepage, whatever you want. And of course, you can even name it this, but of course, preferably homepage or home. So if you want to add to a menu, it will appear as home or homepage. And you can also add description and the meta information for like SEO purposes, for search engine rankings. And of course, once you do so, you can configure the homepage content however you want. You can add your content from images, videos, and a lot of other stuff. You can also use like some HTML code if you are comfortable with it, if you're good at it, or you can even use ChatGPT if you're not good at HTML code. And then you can set up your homepage URL and publish it. Of course, you can add it to your menus if you have some, and set the homepage as a default landing page. That's very, very important. And then, of course, you can customize like your homepage layout however you want, and you should normally be good to go. So, an example here, they show you example just how to change the content. Basically, you have to go to models and then go to home text editor in front office. So this even will ask just front office. Why? Because it will just change the content of the home page. So it tells you how to do it. So here's an example, other articles about people like how to change it. As you can see. Okay, so he had the free model that people can use. So, as an example, this CMS page, as an example, you can create your own TPL. So, as an example, yeah, they're giving you the code. You can try things out by your own, etc. A lot of things. So, as an example, let me just go back into that option. So as you can see here, as we said on design, you can simply just go to pages, and simply on pages, like there's like here the language is not right, but as you can see here, you'll find pages. Click on it and you'll be able to create a new page, and then simply, as we said, name is home, and you'll be good to go. So other than that, I guess your homepage will be created. So you should successfully add and customize your homepage in Prestashop, which is a well-designed. Of course, a well-designed homepage is crucial for making a great impression and engaging your customers. So remember to regularly update your homepage with new content, promotions, and some features, products. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe down below in this channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any question or something in mind, just put down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible as a video if you have any problems. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.